All right, just gonna touch real quick on shrink tubing for reservoirs. Shrink tubing I use is 3/8. And then I cut the piece the appropriate length to wrap around the reservoir, which you gotta kind of go back and forth and measure a little bit till you get it right. Then once that's dialed, I just fish the hose clamp through the shrink tubing. And heat it up. That's it. Once it's wrapped around the reservoir, it looks super clean, insulated, good friction, and no scratches. All right, so I spared you the video of me installing the hose clamps. It's not rocket science. I will say it is clean to orientate your adjusters out of sight if possible, if there's room to do that. For example, in this one, can't see them at all. So the benefit of doing this is it's just something kind of clean. It shows you that you're, pride in your work. Your hose clamps aren't gonna scratch your stickers or your reservoirs, and sets you apart maybe from the next guy, and the guy that's got the hose clamp sticking out here, it goes doing, doing, doing. So I just think it's super clean and cool, and wanted to share this with you because a lot of people were asking about it. I was surprised so many people didn't know about it. So I figured I'd throw together a quick YouTube video. So thanks for watching.